Hi, my name is Lin. I'm the founder and president of Linlink Global. So Linlink Global works as the manufacturer of LED display representative, and also to help customer find the best solution of the resources of the supplier. And today I will introduce the Scenico unique flexible product solution. This is an indoor 2.5 millimeter and curved, flexible, can make any kind of design in your imagination. It can make as tall as you want, and the diameter smallest can make 500 millimeter for the diameter. And next, we show you our very spectacular outdoor product solution. This is 3.8 and 65 IP waterproof level, and the brightness is 6,500 nits. The special is the mask. It's a stainless steel design. We have the patent, and for this creative curved outdoor solution. So for this year, for the Scenico factory, the most fantastic innovation of technology is the rolling display. Let's see, it's very thin, only 10 millimeter, and also they can roll. It's very convenient for the installation and transportation. If you see over there, you see there's a roll display. This is very unique for this exhibition of InfoComm. The longest the length can be 10 meter long, and it's 750 millimeter wide, and can make as wide as you want. It's really fantastic, unique product design. Thank you. So if you have more interest, look for more information, please go to visit www.scenico.com.